Hi guys, we are here. We're checking out some awesome recipes from Chef Melba, and I'm super excited because we are going to cook the Kari Pimenta. Okay, in our kitchen, we're shooting. It's insane. You've got COVID-19 going on. No one can move, but we're still going. And I'm going to introduce you to Chef Melba, who's actually taking a look at how everything's being cooked. Hi, Chef. Okay, so anyway, we've got lots of awesome fish. We've got stuff from Fish for It. Check it out. Oh boy, that is a siaka. And then we've got the white pomfret. Absolutely beautiful. Right, so we've got some of the aubergines and tomatoes. Of course, you've got your sugar and salt. Can't leave that out. A little bit of tamarind juice, and of course the spices, which took quite some time to do, but I'm super happy because I've got Chef Melba right here, and she was telling me just now, I gotta do it finer, right, Chef? She's laughing.
Right.
All right, cool. So today we are going to serve this beautiful Kari Pimenta with beras sale. Beras sale is amazing. It's right here. If you see it, it is beautifully, white, but also truly amazing because there's a little bit of sweetness and a bit of stickiness. So I'm really excited to eat it. Yeah.
All. Okay, all. Yeah. And then the asam juice can go in also. Exactly.
So I think Alina's gonna show you. Yeah.
Okay, Elena, I'm ready.
See, look at that. Look at that. That's the light. Then I can, all these things are happening here.